Can you find the area of this rectangle? Join me to figure this out. Hi there, I'm Nilan. In today's video, I'm gonna cover another challenging geometry question. Let's dive in. As you can see, we have a rectangle and a circle. The circle is tangent to two sides of the rectangle and passes through one of its vertices. And you can see this side of the rectangle divided into two parts, 5 and 4. Okay, we are going to find the area of the rectangle. For finding the area, we need to find both width and height and find the product of them. So our mission is finding this side, which is the height of rectangle. Okay, first of all, I'm going to consider this point, center of this circle. Let's call this O. Okay, and because this is the tangent line of this circle, so I'm going to draw the radius of the circle, and we know that the radius of any circle is perpendicular to the tangent line in point of tangency. I'm gonna call this point H. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw another line, a perpendicular line to this tangent line, and we have another right angle here. Okay, and then we have this point. This is an exterior point, and we know that these two segments are equal in size, in length, because they are two tangent segments. So this part is 5 as well, and because this is a right angle here, so we found that this shape is a square. So the radius of this circle is 5. So far so good. And then I'm going to draw another perpendicular line to this chord. Let's call this chord A, B. And we know that the perpendicular line from the center to a chord bisects the chord. So we have a right angle here. Let's call this R. So AR equals RB. But what is the length of RB or AR? Since this line is vertical, it doesn't move left or right. So R is directly above the point H. So that's why RB equals 4. So this part is 4. And because AR equals RB, we concluded that AR is 4 as well. And the final step, I'm gonna connect these 2 points, A and O, which is the center of the radius of this circle, and we know that the radius is 5. And now we have a right angled triangle here. So two sides are 4 and 5. 5 is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So we found that OR, it means this part, is gonna be 3, because ARO is a 3, 4, 5 right angled triangle. But if you don't know, so you can use Pythagorean theorem, which means that 5 squared equals 4 squared plus OR squared. So 25 minus 16 is OR squared. So OR is the square root of 9, which is 3. So far so good. And this part is 3, and this part is 3 as well. So we know that the width of this rectangle is 5 plus 4 is 9, and the height is 3 plus 5 is 8. So the area of this rectangle is the product of 8 and 9, which is 72 units squared. So our final answer is choice C. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me. See you in the next one. Bye for now.